Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. Last class we discussed about the different operators, and then today we'll go to the identity operators. There are two identify operators in Python: is and is not. The identify operators are used to check if both the operands reference are same object memory. That is, the identify operators compare the memory location of two objects and return true or false accordingly. That here operator is given and that description is also given, that is operator A is B means return truth if both the operands are pointing to the same object, means both referring to the same memory location, then it turns to true, and then if not, then the result is false. Is not operator, is A is not B means returns true if both the operands are pointing to different objects, that is both referring to a different memory location, then returns false. If condition is matched, then it returns the true. If condition is not matched, it returns the false. Here consider one example is given here. So A equal to 10, B equal to 10 and A is B. It means both the value is 10, address value is 10. So it return a true value. It return a true. Then you can use id function also. What is the use of id function? Id functions returns the memory location of that particular variable. So here if you want to see the memory location of A value, B value and C value, then at the down you have to write the print id. Under id you have to give which variable you want to see the memory location, and that variable memory location will show here, like this it is given here. So this is the is or is not operator. Then come to the equality. Equality and identity is important relation. You have seen in above example that two variables referring the same value, the operator is returned true. When is operator return true of two variables, it implicitly means that the equality operator will also return true. It means that both the variables having the same value, that the is operator will return true. But because it is the equality, it is means the equality operator also return the value as true, always return the value of true only. Then that is expression A is B as true means that A equal to B also be true. So here if you are giving the A, if you are giving condition as equal to, then it always return a value true. Its value is same, then only. But it is not always true other way around. That means there are some cases where you will find that the two objects having just the same value, means equal to operator returns true then for them, but the operator returns false. Why operator returns false? See here. Here string ABC is given here. Enter the string ABC. Here S1 value equal to S2 is true, but S is S2 is written false. Why it written false? Because the string S1 and S2 all through have the same value ABC in them. Then the S3 value is ABC, but here S1 equal to S3. The equal to operator also returns the value S1 equal to S2, but is operator return false for S1 is S2. Similarly, here value is given here, that imaginary value I equal to 2 plus 3.5 j, real value and imaginary value is here given. So if value is given that both value is given the same, but I is j and value return false. Why false? That the object I and j store in same complex number, value 2.2 plus 3.5j in them, but is operator returns the fall of I is j. It is not equal. Like this, it turns the variables and return the value. Then come to the logical operators. An earlier section discussed about relational operator that establish relationship among the values. This section talks about logical operators, the Boolean logical operators or not, that refer the way this relationship can be connected. Python provides three logical operators, which are they: or, and not. And before we proceed the discussion, logical operator, it is important to know about the truth value testing. Truth value testing means Python associate with every value type some truth value. The truthness, Python internally categorize them as true or false. Any object can be tested for truth value. Python considered following truth, false, and the truth value as false and true. Here the value is given there. Here none, then false, boolean value false, 0 of any numeric type, or example 0 0 0 or imaginary 0j. Any empty sequence of example, the symbol is given here. Any empty mapping of for example bracket, then the value with truth value as true, all other value consider as true here. So if you are giving this, so the value should be true. The result of relational expression can be true or false depending upon the value of its operand and comparison taking place. Then here do not be confused about the boolean values true false within true. So true, simply put true value, test for zeroness and emptiness of value. Boolean values belong to just one data type, boolean type, where we can test truthness for every value object in Python. But avoid any confusion, we shall giving the truth value true and false a small letter with a scriptural, that is now in this chapter true 12 and false also what is written here 12 will be referring to truth value of an object. So here we'll discuss about the operator, the OR operator. The OR operator combines two expressions which make it operands. The OR operator works in this way, that relational expression as operands, then number as a string or list as operand. First, relation expression as operand means when OR operator has its operands as relational expression is given, then the OR operator performs the following principle. The OR operator evaluate to true if either of its relational operands evaluate to true, false if both operands evaluate to false. Means evaluation is given here false, or if you are giving the OR operator and both the condition is false, then it returns the false value. Then x equal to false, y equal to true, then it returns a true value. Then x equal to true, y equal to false, it returns true value. X equal to true, y equal to true, then it returns a true value. Following are some examples here. If 4 equal to 4 or 5 equal to 8, then the result into true because the first expression is true. What we had learned earlier, that if true x value is true and y value is false, that it returns the value true. Here same condition is given. If 4 value is 4 and 5 value is 5 equal to 8, so the result is true because the x value we are getting true and the y value we are getting false. So the result is true, like this. Now number, string and list operands. When OR operator has its operands as number or string list is given here, string list, then the OR operator performs the following principles. If an expression x or y, if first operands, that is expression x, has false, then return second operands y, return otherwise it x. Like this it returns the value. And some operations result is given here, and why it is reason is also given. Then come to the AND operator. The AND operators combines two expressions which make it operands. The AND operator works in this way. First, the relational expressions as operands, then number or string as list operand. Then first relational expression is given here. the value of the relation expression. Here some changes is given in AND option. False false means false, false true means again false, then true false means again false, and true true means true. It is the conditions in AND operations. So here, if 4 equal to 4 and 5 equal to 8, the result into false because the first expression is true and second expression is false, the result is false. It is given in the upper uh, above, the condition is given. Then come to the number string and list operands. When AND operands has its operands as number or string list, then the AND operand perform the following principle. What is the principle here? It is given in an expression x and y. The first operands means expression x as false. Then it returns the value as first operand result. It will return to y. Like this, the condition is given here. False false return x value, then false to return x value, true false return y value, and true to return the y value. Then important is given here. The AND operator will test at second operand only if the first operand is true, otherwise ignore it if the second operand is logically wrong. So here if you see the first operand is true, then only if the first operand is true, then you have to ignore the second part because second part logically wrong. The NOT operator. The Boolean logical NOT operator works on single expression or operands, that is, it is unary operator. The logical NOT operator negates or reserves the truth value or the expression following it, that is, if the expression of true then or true 12, then NOT expression is false. The vice versa here we are using. Unlike AND and OR operators can return the number, string, list, etc., return the NOT operator return always Boolean value, what is true and which is the false value it returns. Here the logical operator is given here. Then change comparison operator. While discussing logical operator, Python has something interesting to offer. You can change multiple comparison with a like certain version of larger Boolean expression. So here the expression is given here. Then how to see the above statement will check if 1 was less than 2 and if 2 was less than 3, then how it looks using the chain. You have to write like this: 1 less than 2 and 2 less than 3 is equivalent to 1 less than 2 and 2 less than 3. Like this, if you want to see the comparison, so you have to write the chain comparison. Chain comparison is given here, then 1 less than 2 and 2 less than 3. Like this, you have to write this expression and check it. Then come to the bitwise operator. That bitwise operator I will discuss in the next class. Thank you.